In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear bumper cover on this Honda Civic. Let's get started. Starting underneath the bumper cover, you'll notice that it has two tabs. One has a push clip. Unfortunately for mine, it's missing on this side, so I'll put it back when I reinstall. But if yours still has both, remove the push clips. To do that, you just pop out the center with a trim tool. A lot of times these do get stuck just because of sand buildup and debris. They're out in the open here, so you'll have to work them back and forth, and sometimes they even break. But that's okay, because we can replace them, and you should if they break, so that the bumper cover gets held on properly. There we go, mine popped out completely, but typically the center pops out, then the outer piece, and then this is free. Do the same on the other side. Now on the outside of the bumper cover, towards the wheel area, there are two Phillips head screws holding on the splash guard onto the bumper cover. You'll have to remove both. In my case, the bottom one is broken already, so I only have to remove the top one. Get a little screwdriver in there and remove the screw. Pull this off. Right above, there's another Phillips head screw. Remove that as well. And in the corner where the bumper cover meets the quarter panel, there's another Phillips head screw. Remove that as well. Now you do the same to the other side. Remove all of the Phillips head screws that hold the bumper cover on. At that point, you should be able to pull it away. Now if you open the trunk lid, you'll see two T30 bolts that hold the bumper cover onto the vehicle. Remove both. There's one on each side next to the taillight. Do the same on the other side. Push on the bumper cover to unclip it. Do the same on the other side. And remove it from the vehicle. Put the bumper cover back on. Line it up underneath the taillights, as well as underneath the trunk seal. Install the two Torx bolts. Bottom them out. Threads are a little rusty on this one, so it sounds like it's tighter than it actually is, but it's not. Do the same on the other side. Take the bumper cover and clip it into the bracket that's behind here. Reinstall the screw that holds it to the quarter panel. Okay, make that nice and snug. And I had these two screws here. You should have had three if your splash guard actually came off the right way. All right, like I said, if you had the third one, put that in as well. At this point, do the same on the other side. Underneath, reinstall the push clips that you took out, or replace them if yours were broken. And like I said, I'm going to do this to both. Perfect. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.